Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making eggs with tomato. Okay, I'm going to just add a little bit oil, and this is olive oil. Okay, and I will add the onions. I will saute until nice and golden. That's it. Okay, so now I'm going to add the tomato. Here we go already. So now we'll add the salt. Put some fresh basil, just break it like that. Oh, this smells good. Put the lid on, we'll let it cook for 5 minutes, okay? It's time to add the eggs. Actually, I'll make a little well here. And some basil here. Just put some of that. Okay, and maybe I'll put some little pepper. We'll let it cook with the lid on 5 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna just turn off the heat under the pan. Wow, they look beautiful. I'm gonna put some in the plate. And with a nice bun, Italian bread. Looks delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.